So really quickly, we're going to review the Pythagorean theorem converse. And if you remember, Pythagorean theorem states a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So if it comes out true, it is a right triangle. So we want to know, is this side length a right triangle? Go ahead and label what is your A, B, and C. And don't forget, your C is your largest length, your longest side. It's going to be your largest number. So when you're plugging it in, you should have it plugged in like this. Go ahead and pause the video, check it out, see if it comes out true and if it's a right angle, and we'll cover it in just a sec. Welcome back. Now that we have everything plugged into the Pythagorean theorem, 9 squared plus 12 squared should equal 15 squared. We're going to see if it's true. 9 squared, which is 9 times 9, is 81. 12 times 12 is 144. When I add those together, I am going to get 225, so it checks out, so I can determine this is a right triangle. This one's different. Notice what I have here. I have a root. So when I put it into the Pythagorean theorem, it'll cancel out. Therefore, 74 would just be my side. This is going to be my longest side. The root 74 is bigger than 7. Because 7 times 7 would have been 49 anyways. So this will be my C. And the other two will be my A and B. Remember what we said, square times root. This right here just cancels each other out and you get 74. 25 plus 49, it does add together to 74, and I could determine this is a right triangle. The next two triangles are going to be in diagram form instead of word form. But please remember, this times this cancels out, so your number just comes out. Let's take this one for example. If I have a triangle with the side lengths of the root of 1, the root of 3, and the root of 4, go ahead and determine if it's a right triangle. We're going to use these steps. But remember, notice I put it in a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The root of 1 squared is just going to come out the number. So if I have the root and a number, square it, the root and a square will cancel each other out, and your number will just come out. So in this case, 1 comes out, 3 comes out, and 4 comes out. And we want to see if this is true. Does 1 plus 3 equal 4? In this case, it's true. So this we can determine as a right triangle. These are a little easier because they cancel out. The numbers just come out and you see if the addition statement is true. Go ahead and pause the video after you set it up on your whiteboard or paper. Solve it, put it in the Pythagorean theorem, and is it a right triangle? Does it come out true? Welcome back. So A is 2, B is 7, and C is 8. How did I determine my C? Well, it is the longest side right here, okay? It's the longest side. So when I do the root of 2, remember, root and square, they cancel each other out, so your number will just come out. 2 will come out, 7 will come out, and 8 will come out. That's because there's 3 on this case. 7 plus 2, it does not equal 8 because it equals 9. This is not a right triangle.